How's it, guys? Today I'm going to do a special unboxing of a workshop professional precision adjust. This is the upgraded, more sturdier model. Um, the first model was just the precision adjust, and then they came out with an elite system which had some more abrasives, and a leather strap and some other stuff. But this one is the much stronger, much how do I say, a much sturdier model, and um, it comes with one, two, three, four, five, six, seven abrasives, six plus the leather strap. It comes with a digital indicator, a small knife table. This was 7,085 rand, and which is quite a bit South African conversion, but imports and stuff like that. So I guess that's why shops in South Africa are charging this amount, but it's not bad. It just got in. I don't know if anyone else has received this. Um, it's pretty cool. Mm, yeah, so we're gonna open it up. So there's a box within a box, which is pretty cool. And then this is the base. So it seems like this is something you can probably just keep your base set up and just have that laying somewhere. So open up this. Very nice and sturdy. This is metal, and then it has some plastic on the top. Got some nice rubber grips. And then this is the main thing. This is pretty cool. Let me move this box out of the way. That's cool. I'll put this over here. This is cool. It comes with some stickers. User manual. I'm definitely gonna read that. Yeah, so I think this is it. Just a quick unboxing. I will do a review, I'll do a test, I might even show you guys. Let me know if you guys want to see an actual like sharpening of a knife. I'm probably gonna sharpen this one soon. um, but yeah, it's pretty cool. I will do a little bit of a review just to show more. This is just a little unboxing. Let me know if you guys want to see anything else. um, that's all I have for today. Thanks, guys.